Hello, my name is Dr. Raghu Hiremagalur. I am an orthopedic surgeon practicing here in Malleshwaram in Bangalore. I have set up my clinic called ORTHO CARE since last 18 years. I've always wanted to become a doctor because my father was a doctor, and as you know, my father my hero. My father served the whole area and the community for 65 years practicing as a family practitioner. I derived focus from him, I derived inspiration from him. I always wanted to be a doctor. However, I decided to become orthopedic surgeon because I always had an inclination to become a surgeon. So I pursued that. I have done diploma in orthopedics as well as FRCS from Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh in Scotland. I am highly experienced in doing joint replacements, arthroscopy, as well as doing a lot of fracture fixation. In my clinic here, you get a very personal interaction with me while consulting. Most of my patients say they never feel it's a clinic. It's that kind of a homely atmosphere. I also have a dedicated physiotherapist who is getting my patients better all the time. I also have an X-ray unit here so that the patient does not have to go anywhere else for taking an X-ray. I am also able to do small procedures here under local anesthesia. Obviously, for everything else, I have to take the patient to the hospital.